Let's check assignment operators. I have copied the whole thing to Python, PyCharm as well. So let's discuss. Okay, check. X is equal to 5, print x, 5. X is equal to x plus 3, we did that. This is now 8. X is equal to x minus 3, 8 minus 3, it's 5 again. X is equal to x multiply 3, it is 15. X 15 divided by 3, it has become 5 again, but pay attention to the result. Since it was division, the result is in float form. X, which was 15 mod 3, mod 3, it is now 5. Floor division diff x diff अपना 3, so that is 2. Okay, so this is floor division it was 2. Let's make x 5 here. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. This one, x power 3 cube, x cube actually it is.